Hello everyone, welcome to Football Updates. Friends, the Messi-Ronaldo rivalry is a sporting rivalry in football, encouraged by the media and fans that involves footballers Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo, mainly for being contemporaries and for their similar records and sporting success. Together they have achieved various historical milestones in the sport, coming to be considered as two of the best players of all time in a career. But, if we ask who is better from another, the debate will never end, and hence can someday lead to a world war. Well, jokes apart, and instead of fighting who is better, we should enjoy both of them, until they hang up their boots. So, in this video we are going to do a little comparison between both of these legends, on the basis of their individual awards. First is Ballon d'Or. Ballon d'Or is an award given by France Football Association to the overall best footballer of the year. Messi has won the award for 6 times, while Ronaldo has managed to win the award for 5 times. The second award is FIFA Player of the Year. This award was an association football award presented annually by the sports governing body, FIFA, between 1991 to 2015. Later, FIFA changed the name of award to FIFA The Best, and Messi has won this award 6 times, while Ronaldo has won this award 5 times. The third one is Golden Boot or European Golden Boot. This award is directly given to the player who has scored most goals in whole European club football for the course of a season. Messi won this award 6 times and Ronaldo won it 4 times. The fourth one is International Player of the Tournament. This award is given to the MVP or most influential player of any international tournament. Messi won this award 3 times in his career, while Ronaldo has never won this award yet. The fifth one is UEFA Club Footballer of the Year, which is now known as UEFA Best Player since 2011. This award is given by UEFA to the best club footballer playing in Europe. Messi has won this award 3 times while Ronaldo has won this award 4 times. The sixth and last one is Pichichi or the Spanish Golden Boot. This award is simply given to the player who scores most goals in Spanish La Liga during the course of a season. Well, Messi and Ronaldo played together in La Liga from 2009 to 2018, so we compare both of them on the basis of number of years played in the same league. Messi won this award 5 times, while Ronaldo won this award 3 times. There are some honorable individual awards as well, like Laureus World Sports Awards. This award is given as an life achievement award to any sports player playing any particular sport, and Lionel Messi is the only footballer to have won this award. One more award is Globe Soccer Awards. The award ceremony is held in the city of Dubai in the United Arab Emirates, which brings together the main representatives of the world of football. This award is also known as Dubai d'Or, and Ronaldo has won this award for the record 6 times. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for daily football updates.